Hello, Charles Schmidt, Family First Foundation, top operation.
Yeah.
We're here at the repair facility. That's Raul, the man. Are you allowed to be in this video, Raul?
I don't care.
That's the removal of the hard top. We replaced all the cylinders, the master cylinders, the gauges on top, and they're just demonstrating the top operation. That's Rick in the background. Say hi, Rick.
Hi, how you doing?
I hope you guys don't get mad that I'm videoing you. All right, look at this. I'm gonna move in close, Raul, if you don't mind. There we go. Top operational and functional. The original top.